or scrolling through your phone at 2 in the morning. Your eyes are heavy, but your mind is racing. Suddenly, an ad pops up. It promises you can drop 40 pounds while you sleep. No gym, no salads. Just a few drops of a secret formula. It sounds like a dream. It sounds like the answer to every struggle you have ever had with your body. But that is exactly how they get you. This product is called Melt Drops. It is the latest viral sensation taking over social media feeds everywhere. They use these wild terms like the ice hack or the pink salt trick to make it sound scientific and exclusive. They want you to feel like you just stumbled onto a government secret that the fitness industry is trying to hide from you. But when you peel back the flashy labels and the high-energy music, the reality is much more boring and much more expensive. Watchdog groups are already waving red flags about this one. They are pointing to things that should make any buyer nervous. We are talking about suspicious testimonials that look like they were generated by a computer. We are talking about people getting stuck in hidden subscription loops that are nearly impossible to cancel. This is not just about whether the liquid in the bottle works. It is about whether the company behind it is being honest with you. Now let's look at what is actually inside those tiny bottles. You'll find things like green tea extract and chromium. These are common ingredients. You can find them in plenty of basic supplements at your local grocery store. Do they help with metabolism? Maybe a little bit. Can they support appetite control? Sure, there is some evidence for that. But will they melt 40 pounds off your frame while you sit on the couch eating pizza? Absolutely not. Science does not work that way. Biology does not care about viral marketing. The biggest red flag here is the emotional storytelling. These ads do not talk about clinical trials or peer-reviewed data. Instead, they focus on your insecurities. They use countdown timers to create a fake sense of urgency. They tell you that the stock is running out. They want you to buy before you have a chance to think. This is classic supplement marketing psychology at its most aggressive. It is designed to bypass your logical brain and go straight for your hope. If you are expecting a miracle, you are going to be disappointed. The only thing that is going to disappear overnight is the balance in your bank account. These companies rely on the fact that most people will not bother to check the refund policy until it is too late. They bank on you being too embarrassed to fight for your money back. Before you ever put your credit card information into a site like this, you need to do your homework. Look for real reviews from people who are not being paid to say nice things. Check the fine print for those recurring charges. Real health changes do not come from a dropper bottle bought during a late-night scrolling session. They come from consistency and time. Do not let a flashy ad convince you otherwise. Your health is worth more than a marketing gimmick. Stay skeptical and keep your money in your pocket until you see actual proof. The world of viral weight loss is full of smoke and mirrors. Do not get lost in the fog. These brands often hire influencers to look surprised on camera while holding the bottle. It creates a false sense of community and trust. You see a familiar face, and you think it must be legit. But the fine print tells a different story. If a product claims to do the work of a marathon while you sleep, it is lying to you. Metabolism is a complex system of chemical reactions. It is not a light switch that a few drops of green tea can flip. Be wary of any site that does not list its full ingredient panel clearly. Transparency is the first sign of a legitimate company. If they are hiding the facts behind a wall of emotional testimonials, walk away. Your body deserves better than a mystery liquid from a sketchy website. There are no shortcuts to a healthier version of yourself. Every time you see a claim that sounds too good to be true, trust your gut. It usually is. Protect your health and your wallet from these digital predators. No one ever became a fitness success story just by swallowing drops at midnight. It takes real effort.